What's up, P Squad? It's your boy, Panda 48. I'm gonna be doing what's inside my baseball bag for the 2019, I guess 2020 year. So I don't really know what I'm doing, but I got some heat. So let's get into it. Alright, so I got this fake Oakley case because my friend gave me some fake Oakleys, but then I ended up buying some real ones, you know. Gotta spice it up for the ladies in the crowd. Ooh, ladies go crazy. And then, yeah, got this Costco rag, cleaning with. And I got some, you know, I'm a high school baller, 4 years, varsity. You know, you gotta stay strapped with that pine tar, tiger stick. This one was gone. I need some more. I took this from my teammate without him knowing. To find out, oh well. And I got some Costco cleaner from my lenses. You know what they say? Look good, play good. So, and then got this pair of, I want to say 2017 or 2016 Under Armour heaters. I like these. They're like cheap, but like they're not cheap, but like they're like not that expensive. But I like them because they're kind of like football gloves, and like they have so much grip. Like I would totally recommend these, but they don't really sell them anymore. So, but I'm about to get some blue skin batting gloves or some Franklin CFX Pros, even though my family doesn't want me to get them because they only lasted me like one season because they ripped. And then I got this, gotta stay strapped up, you know, the Nike elbow guard. And then Nike elbow guard, 20 bucks, not really that much. You know, whatever works. Look good, play good. Got some wipes, you know. Gotta look good for the ladies. That's one thing every ball player needs to know. And the scouts. And this, only real baseball players have like some type of pain relief in them because they want to be a true baller. They want to ball till they fall. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? And yeah, I use this one on arm hurts, but I shouldn't really because I need to ice my arm. But yeah. Trying to get some Tiger Balm. Oh, now I got some Bryce Harper Hustle. What's it called? Batting gloves. I got them for Christmas. I have so much grip. Except they're like a little too small for me, so I think I'm gonna have to get some lizard skin batting gloves. Oh, and then I got this Hydro. You know, you gotta stay strapped up. Supreme, some churros. What's it called? That one show, Stranger Things, coffee, you know, Kris Jenner, you know, the ladies. Alright, now to get into the heat. Oh, and then this is, how do you say that in English?
Rosary.
This rosary that my grandma gave me. She's no longer with us, but I still like to keep it on with me for good luck. And this is like my trainer's glove. This is what I use for infield, outfield. It's an Academa. I don't even know what this is. It's a ATX 15, 11 and 2/5 inches. Here's a ball in the pocket. Completely swallows it. Tuna pink. I like to go tuna pink one out. And I got my custom Rollins Pro Preferred Pro SNP6-20, 12 inches. I should have got an 11.75 inches or 3/4, but I decided to get this. Honestly, it's not that bad. I love those gloves. It's like my baby. But what's it called? I should be taking care of it more, but I'm gonna get a bag for it. So yeah. It's got the Mexico flag, you gotta represent Jimenez, you know, for the young boys. Cross web, gold, binding, black and red labels, gold stamping. That's my baby. That's why I got a gold glove. And I got the softball from the academia. Then I got this. I just got this today. It's a Rawlings Match EXT helmet. It's like a glove. So the C flat. Gonna be looking like gonna be looking like Javier Baez with the Oaks on. So it's like a glove. It's perfect. I would really recommend getting one of these because it protects your face, but I just got it for the looks. Because, it's gonna, yeah. And then these are my practice cleats. Jordan 9 metal cleats. They're like really beat down because I have for like 2 or 3 seasons. What's it called? I don't recommend these. You might look good in them, but they're heavy as a brick and they're not comfortable at all. So I do not recommend getting the Jordan or any Jordan cleats because I got the 12s and they're super heavy. But yeah, Jordan 9. It says respect on the left one. They're Jeter. I really don't know why they put it on there, but it has tags. But right now, these are my gamer. Oh, this is my gamer right now, by the way. But I play third. I'm gonna be playing shortstop for some reason in high school. Second base. I play corner outfield, and I pitch and I catch. So yeah, I'm the real Javier Baez out here. But I got these Trout 4s. They're pretty cheap. What's it called? I got them for this high school season. They're actually not that good. I thought they were gonna be comfortable because I had Zoom. They're not comfortable. They're not as. I only got them because these are super heavy. But I'm gonna get some 80 zeros, the all white, the dipped ones, the all white ones for this season. And then got some baseball pants. For whenever I just show up in shorts to practice and then put these on, cause gotta look good, gotta act like you own the place. Anyways, oh yeah, my summer team, TC Thompson's Cabinetry. I play for FIBA. FIBA stands for the Fairfield Expos Baseball Association. I play for the 17U team. I'm 15 right now. So yeah. Trout 4, all black, size 9. Right, okay. And into some heat. This is my Woody that I bring to practice. Marucci Pro Cut, 32 inches. Got some litter skin on here. And if you like Vulcan grip, stop saying that is better than litter skin. Don't ever disrespect litter skin like that. Because I've tried Vulcan grip and it's trash. It has no grip. It's soft. But what you need in baseball is grip. Then they look good. Vulcan is just soft and it looks good. This has grip, it looks good, and it works, But yeah, I'm Marucci Pro Cut. And my baby. Meta Prime 2019. 32 inches. Got some glitter skin on here. BB Core. Oh, this is drop 3 by the way. And BB Core. I'm a sophomore right now. Oh, I'm about to be a junior. And then, yeah, Echo Composite. But yeah, I've been dropping some tanks with this. And this is the bat. This is a bat I use for tee work and sometimes soft toss. It's 33 inches. I only got it like this because it's like a training bat to me. Lizard skin. Lizard skin, Sponsor me, please. Rawlings, Pro Grade, PXXX. I'm not supporting 18. I'm not supporting adult videos. I think that's what it is. But it's a birch bat. I use it to work on my bat speed. So I could drop some more notes. Yeah. And then I actually got this bat for free because my teammate didn't want it. And then I tried like a little project with it, so I put like tape right here to look like Manny Machado. Then I got some lizard skin. Lizard skin. Oh, also Louis Hill, Juan Marucci. He wanna hook a boy up. Then I got, this is my last year, no, oh yeah, this is my gamer right now. Cause I retired I retired this. Met it. 918 Prime. 32 inches. 29 ounces. Laser skin. What's it called? Yeah, it was a really good bat. It was an actually really good bat. I got this for my birthday last year. Such a great bat. I highly recommend this. And then sadly my teammates fought, so and then my bat was just right there. We're in the cages, and then this happened. I don't know if you can see it. BB4. Then I just got this for a wood bat tournament. I ended up like loving it. Got some tar on here for the boys in the blue. And then some pure maple, 32 inches, 20 ounces, lizard skin. I just tried this out because I seen Salvador Perez use it. Actually, it's like kind of better than this. I'm not gonna lie, it feels way better. I feel like I could like grip the bat better, with like pints on this hand and lizard on this one. But yeah, I really actually like it. 32 inches. All my bats are 32 inches besides this one. Got some electrical tape, a sleeve that I don't wear, a pearl. But yeah, that's gonna be what's inside my baseball bag video.